Hi, it's Tim Quast from Market Structure Edge, and here's another lesson on entries and exits, one of the most important things to know, and we'll use NFLX in the FAANGs group as an example here. FAANGs are great, but they also are outliers relative to the broad market many times. And frankly, it doesn't matter what you use, what you like. The point isn't to use Edge to find stocks necessarily, but to use Edge to help you enter and exit the stocks that you like at the best time. So if we look at NFLX here, we come out of the September correction in the FAANGs. Remember, the FAANGs were 10 out of 10 overbought and heavily short heading into the end of September, a clear sign that they were likely to decline as the fall season kicked off, and sure enough, they did. So then NFLX becomes a 1. So then you want to watch for short volume. Where does short volume drop below trend? That's, I think, a key thing to consider. Doesn't necessarily have to be below 50. We like it that way, less than 50% short, but in particular, watch the trend. So you have two choices here. You could buy the uptick, which hit September 24th. Boy, that was a good time to buy NFLX. And short volume's right just a touch below trend. I bought it when it ticked above 5. And that was a little bit later. Not as good an entry point, but still very helpful. And you notice that short volume is now below trend. Nice ramp up in sentiment in NFLX, and you want to watch this now very carefully for leaving when it hits a 10, and particularly if short volume hits trend. But again, this is a great way to use math for entry points and exit points, and that is the edge.